Hey there, tech fans. Today I've got another really cool product from Orei. It's the HDA-915 ARC audio extractor. And you might be wondering what a product like this does. Well, essentially, this product can digitally separate the audio from any ARC HDMI media stream and then allows you to pass that audio along to a soundbar, home stereo, or an amplifier system through both an analog left and right RCA connection and a digital SPDIF connection. So essentially, it allows you to connect your older audio equipment to your newer media gear and still use it and have beautiful audio coming out of that equipment. The product fully supports 4K ultra high definition media content, and it's both HDMI 2.0B as well as HDCP 2.2 compliant, which means it's plug and play compatible with a wide range of modern media equipment. Now, as part of this overview, I'd like to start with a quick unboxing first, just to show you everything that's included with the kit. And then I'll take a closer look at the unit, and I'll explain the connections and indicators so you understand exactly how to use the product. And then I'll come back one more time and point out some of the special features that this product provides that you can use to compare it to other audio extraction products you may be considering. So let's get started with that unboxing. When you first pop open the box, you'll find the HDA-915 metal enclosure, really durable, small, compact, easy to use. You'll find a single 5-volt, 1-amp DC power supply. You can plug this end into any standard wall outlet. The other end of the cable has a barrel connection on it, which plugs directly into the DC input port on the rear of the unit and provides all the power you'll need for operation. You'll also find a full instruction manual included that lists connection diagrams, specifications, and a lot of other really good information about the product that you'll need to understand in order to use it correctly. Now, if you stay tuned next, I'll take a closer look at the unit, and then I'll come back and point out those special features. This product features a full metal enclosure which makes it incredibly durable and a great choice for both residential or even commercial installations. On either side of the cabinet, you'll find ventilation slots that are designed to let any heat that develops during operation escape and keep the electronics inside at a very comfortable temperature. On the front of the unit, starting on the left, you'll find a USB-C port labeled Service, and that's for updating the firmware on the module later on if needed. To complete that upgrade, you'll connect this to a local computer and simply move that firmware file over to the module. To the right of that is a power indicator. When you add power to the module, it immediately starts an internal power on self-test where it checks the electronics, and once it passes that test, it'll light that LED letting you know the module's ready to use. To the right of that are two indicators, DTS and Dolby. These come on when you're using an audio source that's either DTS compatible or Dolby enabled. So if you're using a high quality media source, you'll see these LEDs come on. To the right of that is an ARC indicator. If your media source is ARC compliant, you can turn the ARC function on by tapping that button, and this LED will come on letting you know you're using ARC audio. To the right of that is a 3-position switch for selecting the EDID. And the EDID basically adjusts the frame rate and resolution of your input media to your output display. And you have 3 choices, either TV, where it's going to copy it, bitstream, or 2-channel, and you can set that as appropriate. To the right of that is a full-sized HDMI port labeled Input. This connects to your media device that you'd like to actually extract the audio from. On the rear of the unit, you'll find another full-sized HDMI port labeled Output. This connects to your display device, and always use a high-quality HDMI cable to make those connections. To the right of that are 2 sets of output connectors, an optical SPDIF and a right and left analog RCA set. These can be used with older stereos or older amplifiers, and this can be used with a newer soundbar or a newer stereo, but you'll connect these up to your audio equipment. This unit will extract the audio from that HDMI media stream and pass it along through both of these outputs at the same time. And then finally, to the right of that is a DC input port, and that's used with the included power supply. You can simply plug that power supply into a standard wall outlet. The other end of the cable has a barrel connection on it, which plugs in right there and provides all the power you'll need for operation. I hope that closer look was helpful. Now, here are a few really important things to keep in mind when you're comparing the Orei HDA-915 ARC audio extractor with other products you may be considering. And the first thing has to do with resolution. This product fully supports 4K ultra high definition media content, and that's important because it sits in line with your HDMI media stream. So if you want to get that clear resolution on your monitor, you need to find a product that can support that higher resolution at that higher frame rate. The unit is also HDMI 2.0B as well as HDCP 2.2 compliant. And the reason that's important is because the HDMI standard has gone through a lot of changes in recent years. A lot of new features have been introduced. So knowing you're on the latest version of HDMI for 4K content means you can play a wider variety of files. And the HDCP certification is equally important because that controls copy protection. So again, knowing you're on the latest version of HDCP for 4K content means you won't have any problem playing all of those copy protected files. Another big difference is that this product digitally separates the audio component and allows you to pass it through both an analog left and right set of RCA connections as well as a digital connection with SPDIF. So you can use it with your older stereos that have RCA connections and your newer soundbars and stereos. Everything you need to get started is included with the kit. It's plug and play simple, and with a few simple connections you can be up and running in no time. So hopefully you found this review helpful. I think it's a really cool product and it just works. So thanks again for watching, and until next time, as always, stay nerdy.